Hello children, good morning to all. Welcome to online maths class unit 4. Topic is sizes, smallest and biggest. Smallest and biggest. Okay children, are you happy today? Yes, very good. Did you finish your homework? Very good, excellent answer. Next, are you happy today? Very good children. What did you see the last class? What did you see the last class? Tell me children. Yes? Very good. Tell me the position words. Tell me the position words. Children, already we learnt 8 position words. Already we learnt 8 position words. Tell me, again one time tell me. Yes? Top. Very good. Top. Next one. Bottom. Top and bottom. Top and bottom. What next position words? On. Very good. On. On. On means melee. Very good. What next position words? Under, on, under, on, under, on, under. Okay. What is next one? Yes, very good. Outside, 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 outside and very good. Inside, outside and inside, outside and inside. Outside and inside. Okay children, what is next one? Yes, above. Above. Above and yes, below. Above and below. See the flashcard children? Above and below. Above and below. What is next one? Yes, near. Near means what? Pakkam. Near means pakkam. Next what? What is next one? Yes, far. Near and far. Near and far. Near and far. Okay children, what is next one? Yes, before. Before. Before and yes, very good. After, after, after. Next one, after, before and after. Already we learned 8 position words. Okay children, next one, shapes. Shapes, thick and thin. Thick and thin. Already we learned in the last class. Thick and thin. Okay children. Now we are going to cover Maths Unit 4. The topic is sizes, smallest and biggest. Smallest and biggest. Okay children. Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework children? Yes, very good. Check the answers. Check the answer children. Take your worksheet. Take your worksheet number 18. Take your worksheet number 18. Check the answers. See in B part and C part. Okay? See in B part and C part. Please check the answer children. Okay? It is correct answer? Yes, super. Very good answer. Clap your hands. Okay children. I saw the some object. Okay? What is this? What is this? Yes, bangles. What is this? Bangles. Do you like a bangles? Do you like a bangle children? Yes. Very good. big, bigger and biggest. Big, bigger sizes. Okay, see, மூணு பேங்கிள்ஸும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கான்னு பாருமா. Yes, look at the bangles ma. First one கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா இருக்கு. Next size அதை விட கொஞ்சம் பெருசா இருக்கு. The last size biggest size, ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? It's a big, bigger and biggest. Did you understood? Today's topic, smallest and biggest. Okay, smallest and biggest. The different sizes of bangles. Okay, different sizes of bangles in my hand. Look at big, bigger and biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. Did you understood? Did you understood ma? Okay children, so the next one example. What is that? Yes, floss. What is that? Floss. Big, bigger and biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. See, look at the sizes. Look at the sizes. Yes, big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Did you understood? Okay children, so the next one example. Children, smaller, small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. See, what is this? Yes, pencil. What is this? Pencil. Small, smaller. Last one, what is that? Yes, very good. Smallest. கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா இருக்கு, அதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா இருக்கு, லாஸ்ட் ஒன் ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ஸ்மால், நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ஸ்மாலர், the last one is smallest. It's a sizes, different sizes. Small, smaller and smallest. Small, smaller and smallest. Did you understood? Did you understood ma? Okay children, very good. Now let's go to the next slide. Look at the slide. Yes, see the pictures. Big, bigger. First, what is the first picture? Yes, rabbit. Rabbit is small. Rabbit is small. Very good. What is next picture? Yes, dog. Dog is a big animal. Dog is a big animal. Very good. Rabbit is small. You know the rabbit? Yes, very good. Rabbit and dog. Big, bigger. Big, bigger. Small, smaller. Small, smaller. Okay? Now, let's go to the next slide. Let us compare the sizes of these three animals. Students, look at the slide. Let us compare the sizes of these three animals. See how many animals in the slide? Yes, three animals. First one, what is this? Yes, dog. Dog. What is the second picture? Yes, lion. Very good. Lion. Lion. Dog, lion, and what is the last one? Very good. Elephant. What is the last one? Elephant. What is the last one? Elephant. Students, Again read the question one time. Let us compare the sizes of these three animals. Dog, lion, elephant. Which one is big? Which one is bigger? Which one is biggest? Tell me. Yes? Very good. The dog is a big animal. Very good. Very good. Clap your hands. Super. Students, tell me the second one. Yes, the lion is a bigger animal. Very good. The lion is a bigger animal. Very good. Very good. Excellent answer. What is last one? Yes, the elephant is a biggest. Elephant is biggest animal. The elephant is biggest animal. Did you understood, children? Did you understood? Okay, ma. Let's go to the next slide. See, dog is a big size, and lion is a bigger size, and elephant biggest. Very good. Biggest. Lion is a biggest animal. Did you understand? Okay, children. Let's go to the next slide. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay. If something is bigger than everything else, it is called the biggest. It's called the biggest. The lion is a biggest animal. The lion is a biggest animal. The dog is a big size. The lion is a bigger size. And then last one, elephant is biggest size. Biggest size. Are you understood? Okay, children. Let's go to the next slide. Students, take your worksheet. Take your worksheet 19. Worksheet number 19, page number 111. Page number 111. Children, worksheet number 19. Take it fast at the count of number 5. Take your books and pencil or eraser. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Take it, children. Take it fast. Okay. Are you ready now? Okay. Students, worksheet number 19, page number 111. Work out some problems. Problems or exercise. Okay. Tick the box under the biggest object. Students, read the question. Tick the box under the biggest object and cross under the smallest in the each row. In each row. Tick the box under the biggest object and cross the smallest object in each row. Biggest object tick பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Children, biggest object tick பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Smallest object cross tick பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? Cross tick. Did you understand? Okay, children, see the first picture. See in A part. See in A part. What is this picture? Yes, apple. Very good. Which one is biggest apple? Students, which one is biggest apple? Yes, answer? Very good. The second one is biggest object. The second one is biggest object. Tick that. Tick second one. Tick second one. Tick second one. Next, cross under the smallest object in each row. Which one is smallest object? Which one is smallest object? And the apples la ரொம்ப சின்னதா எங்க இருக்கு find out பண்ணு. Yes? Yes, very good. The third one is smallest object. The third one is smallest object. Smallest. ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கு பாரு. Smallest object. Cross tick. Cross tick. Did you finish? Yes, very good. See in B part. See in B part. Which one is biggest object? Yes? Very good. Third one is biggest object. Third one is biggest object. So tick the third one. Tick the third one. Third object. Okay, children? Go to the next one. Which one is smallest object? Which one is smallest object? Yes? Yes, the first one is smallest object. The first one is smallest object. The first one is smallest object. So, cross tick. First one is cross tick. Cross tick. Okay, children, did you finish? Okay. Next, third part. Yes. Which one is biggest? Which one is smallest? Third and D part. C and D part, you work out this. The count of number 5. Okay? Children, make it fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, children, you complete C and D part. Yes? Tell me the answer. Which one is biggest object? Which one is smallest object? Tell me. Yes? The second one is biggest object. The fourth one is smallest object. So, tick the second one. Cross tick the last one. Okay? See in D part. Which one is bigger? Yes. First one is bigger. Biggest. The second one is smallest object. Okay? Students, check the answers. Students, check the answers. Yes, the second one biggest. Third one is smallest. Very good. B part. Third one is biggest. First one is smallest object. C part. Second one is biggest. And last one is smallest object. Okay. C and D part. Yes, first one is biggest. Second object, smallest objects. Okay. You finished? Okay, children. Let's go to the next slide. Yes, worksheet number 20. Worksheet number 20. smallest and biggest. Smallest and biggest. Take next page. Page number 112. 112. Worksheet number 20. Worksheet number 20. Students, take it fast. Worksheet number 20. Page number 112. Take your crayons. Take it fast. Take your students all are take it crayons box. Students all are take it crayons box. Take it fast. Okay children. Worksheet number 20. Smallest and biggest. Smallest and biggest. Question number 1. Question number 1. The same exercise. Color the biggest cap. Color the biggest cap. Students, again read the question. Question number 1. Color the biggest cap. Color the biggest cap. Okay children. First, see the slide. Look at the slide children. Find out the biggest cap. First, find out the biggest cap. ரொம்ப பெரிய cap எங்க இருக்குன்னு find out பண்ணு. Yes? Very good. Super. Very excellent answer. Very good. Second cap is biggest cap. Second cap is biggest cap. Very good children. So color the second one. Color the biggest cap. Color the biggest cap. Students, very good answer. Color the biggest cap. Yes, very good. The second one is biggest cap. So color that. Color the biggest cap. The second one is biggest. Biggest cap. The second one is biggest cap. Okay. Students, check the answer. Color the biggest cap. Color the biggest cap. Color the biggest cap. Make it fast. Color the biggest cap. You finished? Did you understood children? Okay. Students, today we are learned. What is learned? Yes, smallest and biggest. Smallest and biggest. Today, two new sizes. Today, new sizes. Yes, smallest and biggest. Smallest and biggest. Smallest and biggest. Smallest and biggest. First one, smallest. Second one, biggest. Today we learned smallest and biggest. Did you understood children? Did you understood? Okay. Dear children, today's homework, complete worksheet number 20. Complete worksheet number 20. Complete worksheet number 20. The second, third and fourth question. Okay, ma? Second, third and fourth question. Today's homework, worksheet number 20, page number 112, second, third and fourth question. Okay children, did you understood? Okay, thank you children. See you tomorrow.